we have a unboxing from Skull Fingerboard that I've already opened. Let's pretend not though. So yeah, here we go. Skull Fingerboards. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Only a few things, but yes. So to start off, I got some tube spacers for my new fingerboard. I haven't actually showed you guys yet. I will show you in a bit. You put them in between the wheels and the trucks. They're tiny, but it's Skull Fingerboard hardware. Really nice packaging. Yeah. Next, I got some skull grip tape. Get a grip. You get 3 pieces. This is skate grip, and then 1 piece of foam in the back. 79p. You can get camo and loads of colours in this, so I'd recommend getting this. Next, we have a wooden pallet. Let's get with the skull symbol on. Yeah, really good quality. Yeah, I can just my fingerboard, compare it to the fingerboard. There's my fingerboard. It's 1 and a bit. Wait, give me a sec, guys. So anyway, I'd say it's 3 inches. It has rounded edges. Yeah, it's really nice. Let's get to the next thing. Next up, we have this special offers Skull Fingerboards zebra fingerboard. I believe this is like 33mm, which I've been wanting for ages. Comes this complete, £5. Comes with white bearing wheels, trucks, black trucks. Obviously, we have our sheet of stickers and grip tape. So yeah, I think that stuff is done well. This came down to about £8, which I'm really pleased with. And yeah, now let me go get the new fingerboard I got. By the way, I also put a grip gap in my FBUK. I think it looks quite nice. So you can see the symbol there. So yeah, I'll go get it now. So here is my other Skull Fingerboards. This was like £22 on Amazon Prime. It's cheaper on the website. It's only £2 cheaper. I got this as a complete. So we got silver bushing trucks, bearing wheels, and it's cassette tape. And then I put like 3 strips. And comparing these two, this one is definitely fatter. This one's a bit longer. Personally, I prefer this one, and I feel this one is the perfect size for me. And I'm gonna get this piece of foam grip tape onto here. If you don't know how to do this, if it's not cut, you lay it on, push all the edges down, and then get a nail file and go along, and it will eventually all come off. So yeah, I will not get all of this out because I want to keep it nice at the moment. But in the next video, I'll have all this set up probably. I'm going to give a piece of grip to my friend, but if you're watching this, it's not for you. And then I'm going to now show you my new setup fingerboard park. Here it is. It's kind of cool, I guess. So yeah, I had this before, but recently I've added this wooden thing. It's come loose, but I've got some Skull Fingerboard stickers on it. Yeah, I've got that, and then everything at the end, from that end, and then this goes up here, along there. Then I have a flick ramp, little ramp over there, fins back here, stairs there, Avengers Assemble rail, a nice fin here, loads of FBUK skull, Berlinwood Winkler, Bolly, Vans, yeah, and then this big half pipe, or quarter pipe, not sure. So yeah, in the next video I will show you guys all of this setup. So if you've enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Sorry, that was Finn. Alright, let me get a thumbnail. You can stop the video, but bye. Peace.